Me born fi chant rebellion clean, no mean roots rebel in a Babylon night, hold tight. Drum beat take go through me soul, take control. Rebel heart, Rasta sound, shake the ground. Them system love control and gain, cause pain. But me stand firm, me nah bend till the end. Me chant truth in a every song, right from wrong. Them can't catch body, not me mind, love refined. Me see you them fight for bread, tear shed. Me tell them all faith stay true, just see you. No weapon stronger than heart pure, that's sure. Roots rebel rise from dust, trust and justice. Chant. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall, leak Chant. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Me chant in a market square, freedom here. Me see people dance again, lose them pain. Roots music heal every scar, near and far. Me beat me drum for the poor, open door. Them call me dreamer, me no care. Me aware, me walk the path me ancestors trod. One God, rebel heart no bow to lies. Truth rise, roots rebel live and learn. Fire burn, every generation born again, free from chain. Me hear the drum of resistance, persistence. Rasta teach love, not war, reach afar. John, Rick John. Roots rebel stand tall, break the wall, leak John. Roots rebel speak truth clear, no fear. Roots rebel sing the song, right from wrong, read chant. Roots rebel Jah design, so divine. No. Yeah, morning light kiss the mountain top, rain a drop, never stop. Me wake and stretch, inhale Jah breeze, mind at ease. Bird them sing a holy song, life belong. Rise and shine, me spirit glow, time fi grow. Me walk through the mist of doubt, me find me route. Jah whisper softly na me ear, love conquer fear. Them try fi chain, me soul in vain. Me break every chain, me lift me head, me trod with grace. Hope in place. Oh, Babylon, pressure heavy on me back, but me never lack. Every struggle teach me fight, light through night. Me no envy, me no boast, Jah guide me most. Me hold the balance, truth and peace, faith increase. Rise and shine, me people strong. Right from wrong, rise and shine. No turn away, new day. Oh, me see the youth, them start fi move. Find them groove. No more violence, no more hate, change the state. Me see the mothers pray again, end the pain. Rasta fire blaze inside, love as guide. within, clean from sin. Rise and shine, me soul rejoice. Hear me voice. Oh, no shadow can cover your sun. Victory won. Every tear become a seed. Blessed deed. Me walk with courage. Heart so true, true and true. Oh, rise and shine, me people strong. Right from wrong, rise and shine, no turn away, new day. Oh, rise and shine, spread the light, end the night, rise and shine, one love call, stand tall. Oh, so when the world feel dark and cold, stay bold, rise and shine forever bright, Jah light.
So divine, truly fine. Me see the lover's smile shine, bright, holy light. Me see the child laugh and play, new day. Love river flow from mountain high, never dry. It carry peace and truth, eternal youth. Me walk beside the stream so deep, spirit keep. Me feel the cool breeze kiss me skin, joy within. No hatred can survive, love revive. River teach me how to forgive, truly live. Love river flow, wash away night to day. Love river shine, pure and real, make we heal. Me see the elders sit and pray, peaceful day. Them say keep love in motion through devotion. River carry wisdom, old stories told. Me bathe in a truth again, no pain. Me hear the whisper in the wave, just save. Me see reflection of light, shining bright. No end, no beginning clear. John near, love river, guide me soul, make me whole. Me learn to flow, not fight, through night. Every turn just show me grace, holy place. Love river teach patience, true essence. Love river flow, wash away night to day. Love river shine, pure and real, make we heal. Love river carry soul, make we whole. Love river strong and deep, peace we keep. So when life feel dry and hard, hold your card. Love river never end, flow again.
Aye, Zion reggae, yeah, man.
No fear can make me fall. Sunrise paint the mountain gold. New story yet untold. Me lift me hands and chant me part. Carry the fire in me heart. Babylon try to cool the flame, but Jah ignite again. Them build them wall, me tear it down. Love still wear the crown. No system can suppress me song. Rasta energy strong. Me blaze the truth on every street till hate retreat. Me see the youth them searching I for reason why. Me tell them look inside your soul, Jah make you whole. Me see the elder beat the drum, remind we where we come from. Roots deep like ancient art. Fire in the heart, burn bright. Guide me through the night. Every spark a holy sign. Love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame. Chant the most high name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart. Me no chase vanity or fame. Me live for Jah name. When the world feel cold and grey, faith still light me way. Every child build me soul. Every scar a scroll. Me trod through dark but never part. Jah keep me heart. Me see the woman wipe her tear. Jah comfort near. Me tell her sister you no alone. Love build your home. Children laugh, future born. Hope like morning dawn. Me hear the choir start. Fire in the heart. Me no stop, me no tire. Jah fuel the fire from Kingston yard to Cape Town shore. We chant forevermore. No matter the distance, no matter the fight. Rasta standing light. Fire in the heart, burn bright. Guide we through the night. Every spark a holy sign. Love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame. Chant the most high name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart. Fire in the heart. Flame rise. Spirit strong. Jah rhythm beat lifelong. True struggle and art. Fire in heart. When the evening shadows fall, Jah fire bless them all. My soul and rhythm never part. Forever fire in the heart.
Aye. Roll a spliff with bamboo paper, yeah, pot. Yeah, man. Yeah. Me open me window, morning glow. Jah light start for show. Every color in the sky remind me why no darkness can invade. Jah light never fade. Me see confusion every day. People lost them way, but me keep me vision clear. Jah always near. Them promise power, promise gold, but soul grow cold. Me choose the humble trade. Jah light never fade. Yeah. Me walk find a way. No silver, no diamond ring can change the song me sing. Love and truth me blade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Shine strong. Guide me right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on. Even when the night long, every soul we pray see brighter day. Me mother say keep the faith true. Jah walk with you, so me move in grace and peace. Let the burden cease. The wind carry prayer high. Answer come nigh. Me no worry, me no trade. Jah light never fade. Elder sit on the stone. Say Jah rule alone. Me kneel, me reason, me understand. Life in Jah hand. No shadow block me way. Sunrise every day. Every heart unafraid. Jah light never fade. Even when the thunder roll, Jah comfort me soul. From desert sand to ocean tide, Jah spirit inside. Hold the faith, no let it go. Light forever glow. Jah light never fade, shine strong. Guide me right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on, even when the night long. Every soul we pray see brighter day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jah light blaze, truth prevail. Love set the sail through storm and shade. Jah light never fade. Me close me eyes and rest. Jah bless the quest, forever unafraid. Jah light never fade. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Me wake up with fire in chest, no rest. Lion heart beat steady strong, just song. Me roar in a valley wide, no hide. Courage grow like tree, set me free. Them try bring down me spirit low, still me glow. Lion heart no bow to fear, truth clear. Every trial build me soul, self-control me walk through. Fire calm, holy psalm. Me hear the voice of ancient kings, freedom rings. Them say stand firm in a truth, teach the youth. Me carry legacy so bright, Jah light. No enemy can tame me roar, me soar. Lion heart stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart no retreat, face it. Me see the battle in the street, still me beat. Me fight with love, not gun, victory won. Lion heart protect the weak, freedom speak. Me lead them through storm, keep warm. Me no seek crown or gold, me soul bold. Me serve the people true like Jadu. Lion heart within me chest, never rest. Me roar of hope and peace, love increase. When the night dark and cold, me stay bold. Just strength in every beat, complete. Lion heart carry Jah fire, never tire. Stand strong, right from wrong. Lion heart, no retreat. Face it. Lion heart, guard the land. Take stand. Lion heart, fear no foe. Blessed flow. So when the storm roll again, me remain. Lion heart forever true. Jack crew.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and Zion reggae, yeah, man. Sound the whistle, time fi go. Zion train start to flow. Me pack me faith, me drop me fear. Jah guide and steer through the smoke and Babylon plain. Still roll the Zion train. Me see the people line the track, no turning back. Every soul want right tonight into the morning light. Them tired of sorrow, tired of pain, waiting pon the Zion train. Me chant me song, me spirit strong. Freedom song. Them try delay the engine start, but Jah control the path. No ticket needed, love the key. Ride for destiny. Me see the elder wave goodbye. Me feel me spirit fly. One love vibration rain. Zion train, Zion train. Roll on, till the struggle gone. Carry the people home, no more roam. Zion train, roll on, steady strong. We all belong. Jah conductor, hold the line. Forward time. Me hear the rhythm from the wheel. Truth me feel. No more division, no disguise. Just open eyes. Every station full of song. Me know me belong. Inna the smoke, me sight the flame. Call Jah name. Me sit beside a youth who cry. Me tell him lift your eye. The journey long, but ain't sweet. Love complete. From first breath to final tone, Jah lead we home. No power can restrain Zion train. Every bump, every bend is not the end. Keep rolling, faith sustain, bless again. Me hear Jah voice in every chain. Break free, ride the train. Zion train, roll on, till the struggle gone. Carry the people home, no more roam. Zion train, roll on, steady strong. We all belong. Jah conductor, hold the line. Forward time. Roll on through the storm and fire. Lift we higher. Every soul unite as one. Journey done. When the wheels slow down, me smile. We reach the Zion mile. Peace and freedom reign. Zion train.
Skibbity dong dong, skibbity dong dong. Rasta man is high in the Kingston town, yeah man. Me Wake up in the morning light, give thanks for life, give thanks for sight. The world still spin, the youth still cry. So me lift my voice to the sky. Oh no, 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 no. Me see too much confusion round Babylon sound, try mash we down. But in my heart, the fire blaze. Jah wisdom guide me through the maze. Them can't stop love, we're pure and clean. Truth shine brighter than it seems. Me walk with courage, soul on fire. Burn down hate, lift love higher. Me see the struggle in the street, but every pain bring lessons sweet. No gold, no throne can take your place. Me feel the power in every face. Oh, people tired, people cry, but your spirit never die. When me chant, me feel it grow. Roots and culture overflow. Yeah. Light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand. Spread the light across the land. One land. Light up the world, your flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. Me remember the elders say, truth comes slow but find its way. Me hold the faith through every storm. Jah protect and keep me warm. No envy, greed or vanity, just peace and unity. The system weak but soul still strong. We rise where we belong. Children laugh and elders smile. Hope return for a while. Roots musician beat the drum. Say the better days soon come. The rhythm travel through the crowd. Chant of freedom, chant aloud. Every man and woman free. In Jah harmony. Me no war, me no fight, me move in Jah light. Every color, every race come together, one embrace. The message clear, the vision true. Love is the way for me and you. We can light up the world, let the fire glow. Love are the seed we all must sow. Every heart and every hand. Spread the light across the land. Voila. Light up the world, your flame ignite. Turn the darkness into light. One love, one vibration strong. We all sing the same old song. Well, yeah. Light up the world, don't dim the shine. Bless the people, one divine. Rasta vibes in every song. Lift the nation from the ground. All of them. Light up the world, stand tall, be true. Jah love dwell in me and you. So when the night feel cold and long, remember Jah within your song. Keep the flame, don't let it die. Light up the world, reach the sky. One love forever burn, till every soul returns.
Ay, ay, ay. Roll a split with royal cookies, yeah man. Mighty ocean, wide and deep. Secrets holy, it does keep. Wave of courage, tide of grace. Ocean carry, Jah embrace. Babylon fortress can't withstand. Ocean wash across the land. Every current strong and free. Ocean chant eternity. Children play upon the shore. Ocean teach them something more. Elders sit and sing a song. Ocean keep them spirits strong. Not of conquest, not of war. Ocean heal the broken scar. Every drop a holy flame. Ocean glorify your name. Storm may rise and wind may roar.
not override. Ocean carry Zion tide. Generation come and go. Ocean of strength still flow. Morning sun reflects so bright. Ocean shine in Jah light. Moon and star above declare. Ocean blessings everywhere. Not of vanity, not of greed. Ocean give what people need. Everlasting, strong and true. Ocean guide both me and you. Every creature, big and small. Ocean hold them one and all. Whale a sing and dolphin play. Ocean chant Jah every day. Prophets walk the sandy coast. Ocean praise Jah Holy Ghost. Eternal water never cease. Ocean of strength bring peace. Flow, flow, mighty tide. Carry people far and wide. Roll, roll, waves so strong. Ocean chant Jah holy song. Ocean of strength, deep and free. Carry the world in unity. Wash this sorrow, heal the pain. Ocean of Zion still remain. Forever mighty, never dry. Ocean of Jah most high.
Seal my rastas, me stone and Svetka by me side, ja man. Me see her walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she nah no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal pan foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. Me step to her, heart a beat. Me say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling. Me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. Me show her how to chant and wait. We nah rush, nah need no ring. Just truth and rhythm, everything. When the system try, split the vibe. We meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In our soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She say, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, not wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. Me write her name in smoke and star.
Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them a watch and wonder how to Rasta still hold vow. While world a crumble round the way, we hold hands and start fi pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still rude, but we move with righteous mood. A Babylon could never stop this rebel love from reach the top. When me weak, she strong like stone. She chant Jah live, me nah alone. And when she cry, me wipe her tears. Say queen we higher than them fears. Rasta love in a Babylon, true like that carry on. Me empress me backbone, together we build Zion throne. Me reason, me melody, she keep me steady like prophecy. No fiction, just devotion. Rasta love in a Babylon. In the heart of confusion, we still find the fusion of love, of roots, of soul, and that make the Rasta old. Sealer, sealer.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man is high and meditate, ya man. From the dust and from the pain, Jah bring the roots again. Every seed we buried deep, now awake from holy sleep. The sunshine bright, the sky clear. Hear the voice we all can hear. Them think the culture fade away, but the roots no stray. Every drum beat, every rhyme, carry truth through time. Me see the youth them plant again in the heart of mountain plain. Roots no bend, roots no break. It grow for the people's sake. Me walk with pride, me walk with soul. Me chant for peace, me chant for whole. History written by the few, but Jah reveal what true. Them can't erase the lion roar. We stand firm forevermore. Me chant for unity, me chant for love. Every heart blessed from above. Rise at the roots, rise again. Watch the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. Plant the love, watch it grow. Let the righteous always know. Me see the children dance and sing. Roots vibration, healing bring. Ancient stories still untold, worth more than silver or gold. Me teach the youth, fi honor the land. Keep Jah spirit close at hand. Elder teaching a market square. Keep the roots, show the care. Every hand plant seed of love. Blessing come from up above. Me hear the rhythm flow, the drums beat strong. Lift the people with the song. Roots connect every soul. We all part of one whole. Me see the sign, me see the time. Jah reason through the rhyme. Yeah. Rise of the roots, rise again. Watch the world from Babylon chain. One heart, one song, one flame. Jah glory no man can tame. So keep the roots within your hand. It build a nation, heal the land.
Zion inna the post. Yeah man, me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's all. This a the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eye eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map, just ears fi listen and time fi nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner, all a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay upon the rhythm fi a while. Title pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me wealthy with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. On the roots highway, come what may. Early morning light peeks through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs of healing, we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just ivory soul, pure levitation. Walk through mist in a silence deep. The earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse. Teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate, but we elevate, now participate.
plate. One spliff light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story's told. Around the fire, we reason clean. Talk about life and the space between. Rasta heart, are the compass true. No clock rule, what Jaman do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Roots of the mountain strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irish soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style. Elders blessed with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon's scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song, the soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire. Burn down lie, build truth higher. So light up the chalice.
Na na na, ganja is the medicine, yeah man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruit. Zion garden jar root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden lush and green. Sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise his name.
dusk to dawn. Zion garden still carry on.
Zion, yeah, man. Song of Zion, rise so sweet. Heaven melody complete. It filled the air, it filled the sky. Zion song will never die. It healed the soul, it lift the heart. Zion song, Jah art. No Babylon can drown the sound. Zion song all around. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, eternal flame. Zion song, exalt your name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion song, all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion song, keep it strong. It flow through valley, flow through sea. Zion song, eternity. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion song, Jah light. Me hear it in the morning breeze. Zion song across the seas. It chant the truth, it sing the word. Zion song always heard. Forever holy, never fall. Zion song for all. from dusk to dawn, Zion song still carry on. Na Zion, reggae music, yeah man. Oh yeah. Me wake before the break of dawn, hear Jah whisper, carry on. The world still weep, the system cold, but me story must be told. Me feel the fire in me chest, truth refuse fear rest. Jah flame burn pure and bright, guide me through the night. Them try to silence the righteous word, but me voice must still be heard. Every chain them build me break, every lie me overtake. Me tread the valley, me climb the hill, still me chant Jah will. From dust me come, to light me go, redemption overflow. Me see the people searching still for peace against the wicked will. Them tired of war, them tired of pain, them call Jah name again. Me bring the message through this song. Love are the force that keep we strong. Me chant for the lost, the blind, the meek. Jah justice them seek. Fire of redemption blaze so high, lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed, plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean, wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within, me spirit free, forever guiding me. Me see the wicked crumble down, like castle made of sand and crown. The humble rise, the truth reveal, Jah love are the seal. Me see the children learn the way, me see the elders kneel and pray. Inna the smoke of sacrifice, me find paradise. Them can't stop the flame inside, Rastafire can't hide. It burn for justice, burn for peace, till Babylon release. Me trod with heart so full of grace, me see Jah in every face. No weapon strong enough to kill, Jah fire still. When the darkness start to close, me remember what me chose. Not gold, not fame, not crown, but truth that never drown. Me see the signs, me read the sky, freedom draw nigh. Fire of redemption light the road, carry me heavy load. Fire of redemption blaze so high, lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed, plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean, wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within, me spirit free, forever guiding me. Fire still burning, soul still bright, guided by the ancient light. Every heart that seek the way, find Jah in the day. No evil plan can tear we down, we wear love like a crown. Fire of redemption never cease, bringing the world to peace. When me gone and the song still play, remember what me say. Hold the fire, keep it strong, love forever long. Jah blaze eternal flame, redemption call me name. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ay 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 ay. Kaya and meditate, your man.
alone pan a part of stone, far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity, just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, your voice appear. In a the quiet I grow, roots dig deep and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, just me and your light. In a the quiet, me sight get bright. In a the quiet I grow, like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone, cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to your conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time fi study the skies. In a silence me sing I song. Me chant it soft but me root strong. In a the quiet I grow, Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at your gate. In a the quiet I know, everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath, me give thanks. Me walk alone, but me full of ranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms where me father sung. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. In a the quiet I grow. Me nah chase what them show. Me nah dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. In a the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah fire. Me stay true, me rise higher. So if you're lost in a crowd, come walk with I, far from loud. In a bush, in a hills, in a night, you'll find Jah in a natural light. In a the quiet I grow. In a the silence, Jah blessing flow.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Morning sun, rise on the hill. Jah bless the world still. Birds sing, melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. Me remember nights of pain, when faith alone remain. Now they done break the chain. Joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek. Jah mercy ever seek. Right of the morning sun, Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all, Jah love for all. Me no care about fame or crown. Me just want live love around. Every beat and every sound, heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street, morning sun guide the feet. Elder preach you them learn. All hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Light break through the cloud. Me sing Jah name out loud. No no fear, no shame. Just glory in Jah name. Right of the morning sun, Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all, Jah love for all. So when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun, shine again, wash the world of pain. One love, one heart, one song, together